Hello again, everybody. Joel with Rock Island Auction Company here again to talk to you about a special rifle appearing in our June 2017 Regional Firearms Auction. Now, this may just look like a Winchester Model 70, but it's a very special Winchester Model 70. It was the personal favorite rifle of the man who literally wrote the book on the subject, one Mr. Roger Rule. He wrote The Rifleman's Rifle, an encyclopedic tome of everything Winchester Model 70, and this was his favorite. Now, Winchester Model 70 rifles have been around since 1936. These Mauser-based bolt-action rifles have long had the hearts of shooters and collectors for their high quality, their strength, and their accuracy. In fact, they even saw time in Vietnam, perhaps most famously in the hands of celebrated Marine Corps sniper Carlos Hathcock. When the Model 70 was born, Winchester had been hitting home runs left and right. The classic Model 12 shotgun, the Model 21 shotgun, the 52 rimfire, and the predecessor of the Model 70, the Model 54. Despite these early successes, and like most of the country in the 1930s, Winchester was reeling in the aftermath of the Great Depression. So much so, in fact, that in 1931, they were purchased by Western Cartridge Company, then a major competitor in the ammunition game. Winchester needed another smashing success. Model 54 sales were good and recovering after the Depression, but they needed to do something to appeal to the world-class target shooter market, then realized as sort of the benchmark of quality in its day. So they took the rifle, they redesigned all new trigger, used a controlled feed mechanism, bedded the stock, and with a few safety improvements, voila. The Model 70 as we know it was born and destined for a spot in the hearts of collectors, shooters, and hunters across the land. And as with most collectible firearms, it was only a matter of time before somebody dedicated their time to complete a serious reference work on the subject. And that man was Roger Rule. Roger Rule served nearly 3 years in the U.S. Army as an infantry airborne officer and reached the rank of captain before his time was done. He was then an entrepreneur and opened several successful business ventures. But how he became an avid Winchester collector really started in the 1970s. And he made himself known pretty quickly on a national level when he posted a rather amusing magazine ad that said, "Model 70 collector will pay through the nose for collectible Model 70s. Needless to say, he received a few phone calls. It was this network of collectors that he joined, as well as many new collectors calling him for information, before one of them finally said, "Hey, you ought to write a book." And Mr. Rule rather glibly said, yeah, I'll write a book. Well, then it wasn't until too much later he received a phone call from another collector in the network said, "Hey, I hear you're writing a book." Well, the rumor had spread, and rumor turned into fact, and before you know it, the Rifleman's Rifle came to be. Now, the gun we have before us is the Winchester Model 70 that became Rule's favorite, excelling in accuracy any other that he had used in his many years, and he had tested hundreds. In fact, it surpassed his old favorite, which is depicted on the cover of his book. It still wears its original stock in its original condition. Checkering's excellent, with only light handling marks over the entire stock to testify to its years of use and hunting. I'd say the stock remains at a comfortable 98%, with the bluing nearly the same. The only imperfection in the stock is a stock plug on the left-hand side, where the gun once bore a Lyman sight as it was special ordered from the factory in 1947. Now, this is a Type 2 Winchester Model 70, and as a Type 2, Mr. Rule appreciated the tighter tolerances and superior finish that would appear on some later models. But one feature of a later model he did appreciate and wish to employ was the Type 3 safety. This Type 3 or winged version safety was incorporated by Winchester to be more optics friendly. And of course, Rule isn't the only one to switch to the 3-position safety. This feature is nearly an industry standard, and even Mauser themselves now use the 3-position Model 70 safety. It even still carries the original accessories of the author: a Carl Zeiss scope, scope covers, quick detached mounts, and of course, a Latigo adjustable sling, a favorite of the author. Rock Island Auction Company is extremely fortunate to have firearms such as this in their June 2017 Regional Firearms Auction. I mean, it's akin to having a Winchester owned by Mattis or a Sharps rifle once owned by Frank Sellers. And these men literally wrote the book on their subjects, and if they took a personal interest in it, there's a good chance the rest of us might want to do so too. So go ahead, take a second look right now, rockislandauction.com, and browse the nearly 10,000 collector firearms that are going to be appearing in this June 4-day sale. Who knows? You just might be the lucky collector to take home the Winchester Model 70 of one Mr. Roger Rule. Subscribe to our Rock Island Auction Company's YouTube channel for more gun videos, and until next time, keep your powder dry.